Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clear WordPress cache. What is cache? Cache, you can refer to cache as dirt or bloat that hides on your website, and it very often slows down your website or it stops changes you make on the back end from being shown on the front end. How do you even come about getting cache on your website? The first thing is that when you install very many plugins, they install a lot of cache on your website in order to be able to render information or to render data even with low latency. So when you have too many plugins and themes on your website, even when you delete them or you uninstall them, some of them end up leaving cache on your website, which you absolutely need to clear. And if you don't clear them, then when you install other websites or other plugins rather, they may not work because there may be some interceptions. So for us to install cache on our website or to clear cache, the first thing you want to do is that you want to update your plugins. I'm just going to go ahead and update this Elementor. I also update Elementor Pro. I think all the others are in place. The next thing I want to do is that I want to install another plugin which we are going to use. I'll click on that yes. And I'll come and look for WP Optimize. And this is what we are going to be using, WP Optimize by Team Updraft. So just click and activate. Now that WP Optimize is activated, we want to click on Optimize, and it's going to bring us to this screen. Now it's up to you to choose what operations you want to run. Now these are the default ones which pose very low risk, but in my opinion, I usually like to turn everything on. Now you just turn everything on, and it's going to clean comment meta, it's going to clean orphan relationship, it's going to clean post metadata, it's going to remove trackbacks, it's going to remove pingbacks, it's going to remove an expired transient options.